So there's a ton of great free wallpaper apps that you can go and download for free depending on what type of wallpapers you're looking for your setup. But there's a new wallpaper app right now that's changing the game when it comes to the wallpaper setups on the iPhone. And that wallpaper app is called Wallshift. So Wallshift is a free app that you can go and download in the App Store right now. But what makes Wallshift very, very different from all the other wallpaper apps out there is that you can generate your own wallpapers in the app. You can use your own wallpapers as well. But what makes it really stand out is that it changes depending on the time and day that you have your wallpaper set up. So at 8 a.m. you could have one wallpaper, at 1 p.m. you could have a different type of wallpaper, and at 6 p.m. you could have a whole another different wallpaper already on your home screen setup without you having to do any of the changes. It does it all by itself thanks to the shortcuts that the developer has created, and you could go and download it for free. When you download the app for free already from the App Store, the developer will pretty much link it, so that all you have to do is pretty much download the shortcut, just accept everything in the shortcuts, and the shortcut will work in the background. So at 1 p.m. you'll have a different wallpaper. At 6 p.m. you'll have a whole different wallpaper setup on your iPhone setup. So what makes this also really, really great, this app, Wallshift, is not only is it free, but there is an in-app purchase, of course. So the in-app purchase allows you to generate a whole ton of wallpapers that you can create and have different unique wallpapers for your iPhone setup. But it also creates unlimited presets. So of course, having unlimited presets, it means you could change the wallpapers at different times throughout the day. So you could have it at 1, at 2, at 3, depending on what time you want your wallpaper to be changed. That is the time that the wallpaper change will happen, depending on the time that you choose. And you don't have to worry about creating a shortcut or anything like that, because everything is done already for you in the background. So all you have to do is pretty much choose the time on the app for the wallpaper to show up. You don't even have to worry about anything when it comes to shortcut related. So like somebody who's like me, I'm not really good with using shortcuts. So having the developer do all the work for me was really, really cool, and it's just a really easy process, of course, to insert your shortcut into your shortcuts app, and also to install it as well on your iPhone. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now, if you made it all the way to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.